You are watching Blender Shot Test. In this tutorial, I will show you really basic use of geometry nodes. I will create segment and duplicate it and rotate to make entire wheel. Shift A, mesh circle, 36, go to edit mode, extrude, S. We need only 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ctrl E to invert selection, X, and delete faces. Go down and change timeline to geometry node editor. Press new, and you see that we got a new modifier. Now we have original geometry connected to output. I can remove this, so we have nothing. And now I want to duplicate original geometry and rotate 60 degrees. So Shift A, geometry, transform. Take original geometry, connect to transform and connect to output. And now I can rotate it 60 degrees. Now I have two segments, this copy, which is rotated, and original. To join them, Shift A, geometry, join. To make next segment, I will duplicate this copy and rotate 60 degrees again. So Shift D, transform, connect duplicated geometry to transform and to output. Now combine everything, so Shift D, we have a half of wheel, and to make second half I will duplicate these 3 segments and rotate 180 degrees. And of course join them. From now, to edit wheel, you must edit only this first segment. Object mode. Right mouse button and change shading to smooth. And you see that there is problem with shading on places where segments are connect each others. To fix that, go to modifiers and add wheels. If you have selected object but don't see nodes, go to modifiers and select geometry node. Geometry nodes are like materials, so you can share with others objects. For example, select ring, go to modifier, choose geometry nodes, and don't create new, but choose from list. Also, I can add another geometry node. That's it. Thanks for watching.